Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change DPI settings on Honor 600. So let's open settings and open the display and brightness menu. Here we're gonna have to scroll down to font settings and display size settings. Both of these menus will let us change the DPI. In font settings, we can change the text size, moving the slider to the right, making it bigger, and to the left, making it smaller. We can also adjust text and icon boldness in the same way. In display size, we can change the display size and choose one of the available presets, either default, small, or large one. And once you exit this menu, the changes will be applied immediately. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.